There's an emergency going on. There's an emergency going on. There's a car crash. There's lots of fire trucks over there. Let's go closer. Lots of ambulance. I'm gonna post this in YouTube. Oh my god. There's ambulance ha. Hello? The tablet has. There's lots of police officers, but the car is blocking the thing. So yeah, you can see the van over there. See, there's lots of fire trucks over there. Undercover cop vehicles. Lots of stuff going on. And look at this mess. Whoa. Oh my god.
They don't want to allow anyone.
Police car, traffic, people, some people doesn't know what's going on. Look at that. Bro.
Ano naman yan, di ba?
Nakakalimutan ko rin kasi nga parang ano na yun nasa system mo
iset mo yung fingerprint mo kaliwa kanan ng daliri.
Kuya, do this. Look. See what I'm doing? So it's nearer. I'm doing near. I'm doing very near. Yan cute to.
I'm not sure if that's
There's still some in my side. Just kidding. I'm just kidding, you know.
Back there, and lots of stuff going on.
You're not
there.
joking.
Wow. Lots of traffic going on. There's an emergency. Huh? See, that guy is like wondering what's going on way over there. He's like, huh? You could hear that from up there. Whoa. Oh my god.
This is so near.
Oh my god. Oh my god. No way. No way. Oh man.
Serious crash.
It's down in the news already. Whoa. See? Look at that mess. Look how many people are up here. We're supposed to go this way. Lots of people behind and in front of us. Oh, those people are also they also want to know what's going on. Oh, and that thing. Oh my god. Even that person doesn't know what's going on. She wants to see what's going on. Yeah. that's it.